everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another video content on how to log into Discover Home Loan account using your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you'd like to log into your home loan account for Discover so that you can view your loan summary, view your tax and interest information, make an online payment and much more, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser and go to the URL box at the top and type in homeloans.discover.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of Discover Home Loans, which looks like this. Go to the login link at the top right hand corner and choose whether your application is in process or your loan has already been funded. Now, once you end up in the login area, type in your user ID in the first text field. In case you don't remember your user ID, you can click on Forgot Login ID link and follow the instructions to look for it. Head over to the password field after you're done with the user ID and type in your password correct. You can double check your password to make sure you've typed it in correct by clicking on this little eye icon. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link right beneath the box and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After entering all of your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click the login button and you'll be logged into your Discover Home Loans account right away. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.